To generate Bill4Time expense tracking, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Expenses section. This is where you will be able to track and manage all of your expenses. First, click on the New Expense button to create a new expense entry. You will then be prompted to enter the date, category, and description of the expense, as well as the amount. Be sure to choose a category that accurately reflects the type of expense, as this will help with reporting and organization later on. Next, you will need to select the project or client that the expense is associated with. This is important for billing purposes, as it will allow you to easily track and bill expenses back to the client. You can also add any additional details or notes about the expense, such as a receipt or invoice number. Once you have entered all of the necessary information, click Save to create the new expense entry. You can then view and manage all of your expenses from the Expenses section, including filtering by date, category, and project. To make the most of Bill4Time expense tracking, it is a good idea to set up a regular routine for entering and tracking expenses. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs and preferences. It is also a good idea to regularly review and approve expenses to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. Additionally, you can use the reporting features in Bill4Time to generate detailed reports on your expenses, including by project, client, and category. This can help you to identify trends and areas for improvement and make more informed business decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Bill4Time to track and manage your expenses and make the most of its features and functionality.